Bhavitha from Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool district, and I have completed my B.TECH in Ravindra College of Engineering for Women in 2025 from CSC Data Science, and I have joined PYSpiders in November 10, 2025 for Data Analytics course. Here, coming to my trainers, Shashwat sir taught me Python libraries, Sagar sir Python basics, and Excel Power BI was taught by Mohan sir. SQL was taught by Gagandeep sir, and they have taught very well. And if you have any queries, they'll clarify for us without any hesitation. And coming to training part, there will be mock interviews weekly, and during that mock interviews, aptitude and communication and technical interview will be there. Based upon rating, placements will be provided, and I have attended grooming sessions and aptitude sessions. They have helped me, they have helped me very much to improve my skills, and I got placed. Thank you, Jspiders, Punjagutta.